Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be talking about visors and lenses for your helmets and masks. This is a question I get asked a lot about on my Facebook, so I thought I'd tackle it on here. We're going to start off with the two materials I use the most. The first one's going to be 16th inch tinted acrylic. This stuff comes in various sizes. It's pretty cheap to pick up on eBay or Amazon. I like this material because, as you can see, it's pretty good to look out. Pretty clear. Alright, my next material that I use this one a lot. It's probably one of my favorite. This is going to be a face shield, a protective face shield. If you look it up, it's going to be a Jackson safety visor. Pretty easy to find, it's cheap, and this stuff is super easy to work with. What you do is you can cut it with scissors to the length you need. It'll heat right up with the heat gun real easy, and you just drop it into place. At that point, you choose how you're going to attach it. The method I go with is hot glue. And yes, it's green, but once you get it installed in your helmet, you ain't going to be able to tell. It's going to look just blacked out. This stuff is a little bit more tinted than the acrylic, but you can see out of it just fine. Okay, let's talk about a couple more options. These ones are going to be a little bit more expensive, but if you're looking for that custom look, it's definitely a way to go. First one of those is going to be just regular motorcycle visor. Again, just search it on eBay, Amazon. What I like about these is you can get a nice mirrored look on them, and you can get them in different colors. And the last one I have for you guys is sunglasses. These come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. I've used this option a bunch on my temple guard and acolyte masks. And if you're looking for a lens over a visor, this is probably going to be your go-to option. And there you go, guys. There's a couple options for you. I hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you next time.